What legislation integrates the GDPR into Belgian law? A. The Belgian Privacy Act. B. The Belgian Data Protection Act of July 30, 2018. C. The Belgian Cybersecurity Act. D. The Belgian Electronic Communications Act. Correct answer. B. The Belgian Data Protection Act of July 30, 2018. What directive does the Belgian legislation include for processing personal data within the criminal justice system? A. Directive 95/46, ECB, Directive 2016/680, C. Directive 2002/58, ECD, Directive 2009/136, EC. Correct answer. B. Directive 2016/680. Which body succeeded the Belgian Privacy Commission? A. The Belgian Cybersecurity Commission. B. The Belgian Data Protection Authority. C. The Belgian Electronic Communications Commission. D. The Belgian Digital Agency. Correct answer. B. The Belgian Data Protection Authority. What is the primary role of the Belgian Data Protection Authority? A. Enforcing cybersecurity laws. B. Regulating electronic communications. C. Overseeing GDPR compliance. D. Promoting digital innovation. Correct answer. C. Overseeing GDPR compliance. Which act does not specify provisions for electronic marketing in Belgium? A. The Data Protection Act. B. The DPA Act. C. The Electronic Communications Act. D. The Consumer Protection Act. Correct answer. B. The DPA Act. What principle is emphasized in Belgian regulations for electronic marketing? A. The opt-out principle. B. The opt-in principle. C. The data minimization principle. D. The accountability principle. Correct answer. B. The opt-in principle. Which of the following is not a requirement for electronic marketing in Belgium? A. Prior consent from the recipient. B. Annual renewal of consent. C. Specific and informed consent. D. Free consent. Correct answer. B. Annual renewal of consent. How does the Belgian Data Protection Authority guide organizations on direct marketing? A. By enforcing strict penalties for non-compliance. B. By issuing specific guidelines. C. By conducting annual audits. D. By requiring pre-approval for marketing campaigns. Correct answer. B. By issuing specific guidelines. Which article of the e-Privacy Directive is implemented in Belgian law regarding cookies? A. Article 2, F. B. Article 5, 3, C. Article 4, 1, D. Article 6, 1. Correct answer. B. Article 5, 3. What is not an exception to the requirement for consent for cookies in Belgium? A. Cookies for marketing purposes. B. Cookies strictly necessary for providing a service. C. Cookies for website analytics. D. Cookies for preference settings. Correct answer. A. Cookies for marketing purposes. What legislative act includes specific provisions regarding cookies in Belgium? A. The Act of December 21, 2021. B. The Belgian Data Protection Act of July 30, 2018. C. The Electronic Communications Act of July 13, 2002. D. The Consumer Protection Act. Correct answer. A. The Act of December 21, 2021. What is required for compliant cookie use in Belgium besides user consent? A. Annual renewal of consent. B. Clear and comprehensive information provision. C. Cookies to be used exclusively by third parties. D. A cookie policy approved by the DPA. Correct answer. B. Clear and comprehensive information provision. What guideline has the Belgian DPA issued to aid in cookie compliance? A. The Cookie Consent Framework. B. The Cookie Use Handbook. C. The Cookie Checklist. D. The Cookie Policy Template. Correct answer. C. The Cookie Checklist. Which of the following bodies is not involved in enforcing data protection laws in Belgium? A. The Control Body on Police Information. B. The Belgian Cybersecurity Authority. C. The Belgian Data Protection Authority. D. The Intelligence and Security Services. Correct answer. B. The Belgian Cybersecurity Authority. What is the scope of the Belgian Data Protection Act of July 30, 2018? A. It only applies to private sector entities. B. It includes provisions for processing personal data across all sectors. C. It is limited to data processing within the EU. D. It solely focuses on electronic marketing. Correct answer. B. It includes provisions for processing personal data across all sectors. Which sector is specifically addressed by the transposition of Directive 2016/680 in Belgian law? A. Health sector. B. Financial sector. C. Criminal justice system. D. Education sector. Correct answer, C. Criminal justice system. What does the Act of December 3, 2017, primarily establish in Belgium? A. The foundation for the GDPR. B. The Belgian Data Protection Authority. C. The Video Surveillance Act. D. Guidelines for electronic marketing. Correct answer, B. The Belgian Data Protection Authority. Under Belgian law, what is not considered a valid form of consent for processing personal data in the context of electronic marketing? A. Implied consent through website usage. B. Written consent via email. C. Verbal consent during a phone call. D. Explicit consent through an online form. Correct answer, A. Implied consent through website usage. How does the Belgian Data Protection Authority view cookies used for analytical purposes? A. They require explicit user consent. B. They are exempt from consent if they do not infringe on privacy. C. They can be used without consent. D. They are strictly prohibited. Correct answer, A. They require explicit user consent. What distinguishes the Belgian approach to data protection in the context of cookies and similar technologies? A. A complete ban on all cookies. B. Strictly no requirement for consent. C. A detailed regulatory framework requiring user consent and clear information. D. Allowing all types of cookies without restrictions. Correct answer, C. A detailed regulatory framework requiring user consent and clear information.